Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly sort your projects in DaVinci Resolve 19. So once you open up DaVinci Resolve guys, if you're using it, you know that this is the first window that appear, and here you can choose your existing projects, and here you can create new projects or open existing projects, right? So you can open projects and folders and so forth. So in order to sort them, let's say you have multiple. In my case, I just have two here, one untitled project, which is a default one, and another folder here that says new test folder. So in order to sort this, in your case, if you have multiple, just simple go towards the upper right hand side. You'll find the three lines here with a drop down, or let's say a down arrow, and you can simple click on that, and it allows you to sort by name, date modified, timelines, format, and even frame rate. If you hover over it, it will tell you, it says sort order, and you can simply go ahead and choose how you want to sort your projects, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.